Okay, so now we will have to discuss about what is Gauss Jordan elimination method. Okay, so to perform Gauss Jordan, first of all, you need to start with the augmented matrix. Okay, you need to start with the augmented matrix. Okay, so after that, you need to perform your Gaussian elimination or echelon form. After that, you may need to reduce it until reduced echelon form, then rewrite back the system of the linear equation. So back solving, it depends whether it happened or not. Okay, so since that we have already discussed example 4 right previously, so let us just modify that. Example 4, page 4, chapter 3.2. Okay, so as the video before, so I already tell you or discuss with you how actually the things been done, right? Okay, so first of all, get in the form of Ax equal to b. After that, perform your augmented matrix. You see, solve everything until you have your, what is this? This is actually in the form of echelon form. Why? Because your leading entry is already exists for each row. But the only thing is you haven't ensured that the elements above and below of the leading entry are all zeros. Okay, so what you should do then? So what you should do is you need to strictly perform back. So this one you may just delete first. Okay, you may just delete first. Okay, so what you should do? So check one by one again. So you check for the first row. Sorry. Okay, you check for the first row. Okay, so check on the first row. So on the first row, you have leading entry to be 1. So make sure that the entries above and below are 0. So check. You check row 2 again. So your leading entry is at the element of A22, right? But you need to ensure the above and below the entries are also 0. So for this, obviously, your element above the leading entry on row 2 is not 0 yet. So you need to make this one to become 0. So how? So obviously, you need to add on. How? So you just add on. Add on R. So what you should do, you need to add on. Add on what is the things that you need to do? So you will have remain your R2. Okay, remain your R2. So your R2 sorry, you should remain your R1 because you need to ensure this one will be positive 1, right? So you will have R1 minus with R2 happen to R1. Okay, so 1 minus 0, you will still have, change other color. Okay, 1 minus 0, you still have 1. 1 minus 1, you have 0. 3 minus 2, you have 1. Is that okay? So the rest, since that not doing anything, so just copy back. So after that, just rewrite back into the system. So we need to set that here it will be x equal to 1, y equal to 2. So the best thing about Gauss Jordan will be you straightly get the answer for the x and the y, or even other variables that allocate on that particular question. So for Gaussian just now, you may need to have another back solving for you to solve it. Okay, so that's the difference between these two. Okay, I hope that I'm using the same example so you can see it clearer. Okay, thank you.